You can't always have your laptop close by, and sometimes you find yourself in a situation where you just need to get a quick overview or book a meeting in the calendar. This is where our OnTime Mobile add-on for the group calendar comes in very handy. Let me show you what you can do with the web app. When you open OnTime Mobile for the first time, whether it is from your phone or a tablet, you will be greeted by this welcome page giving you instructions on how to set up your team. Your team should consist of the people you work most with in order to give you easy access to them. I add people here by searching for them. I can choose however many I think is necessary, and if I change my mind later, I can always add or remove people by going to their business cards, but more on that later. When I'm happy with the people I have added, I can click on the little arrow up here, and OnTime Mobile is then ready to go. Now I am looking at my startup group. Here I can see my own calendar displayed in the top and my colleagues is below. In the bottom right corner there's a plus, which is for creating meetings, which I will get much more into in another video. I can navigate back and forth in time by swiping sideways, or I can get to an overview of a whole month by clicking on the calendar up here. This way I will get a little bar displayed on each date showing me when during the day there are availabilities, and I can then click on specific days to see what the events are in the calendar. If I want to see details about a specific event, I can click on the day and then on the event. If I have the rights to see details in people's calendar, I can then see the event details such as who's attending, the meeting description, and things like that. If I want to see a different group of people, I can go up here and click on the arrow. Here I have all my groups from the desktop available to me, and I can edit my team. So if I choose the organizational groups, I can then navigate down like I normally would, choosing a location and then a specific department. This means that I always have all my groups available to me. If I need to find someone specific, I can either do it through a group or by going to the menu on the left side and searching for them. Here I can just type in the person's name, but if you just need to find someone from sales or who are located in Copenhagen, I can also just search for those things. When I find the person I'm looking for, I can click on them, which shows me their business card. The business card contains all the person's contact information and information about their department and location. Below the information, I have a switch, which allows me to add or remove the person from my team. I have a couple more tabs up here where I can choose to see the person's calendar displayed by day or month, and again, if I have the rights in OnTime, I can see the event details. The next option I have in the menu is to find a room. This allows me to book a room immediately if I'm in a situation where I need to find a room for an impromptu meeting or something like that. Here I just type in the duration of the booking, which location it should be at, number of attendees, and then I can even search for a specific room. If I have a favorite, otherwise I can just choose one down here. I can then fill out my room reservation and add it to the calendar. From the menu on the left side, I can also do some other things in searching and booking rooms. The select button is used when creating meetings, and refresh is used to refresh the web app in case any changes have been made. The legends is a visual overview showing what the different event colors means to get an easier overview. In the settings section, you have different options available to you. Firstly, you can change the language to one of the other languages that OnTime supports and choose the date-time format that you prefer using. The Start In defines the group you start in when opening up OnTime. Here you can choose between my team and the last group you used, depending on what your preference is. You can also set the start-end hour for the calendar here. In the bottom down here, you can choose how many days you want to see when in portrait or in landscape mode. This setting can vary from device to device, since you will most likely want the option to see more days on your tablet than on your phone. So all you have to do is just use the plus and minus, and when you are done, just click on the button up here. Now you can see that the calendar has changed. The last things in the menu is the logout button and about. The about button will let you know which version of OnTime Mobile you're using in case you have any trouble. So to conclude, OnTime Mobile allows you to get an overview, coordinate with colleagues, find available rooms, and much more, even when you're working on your phone or tablet. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like it. You can also visit our website for more information and to try it out yourself.